Hello. So today I'll be demonstrating how we began building our 3D space shooter game called Rockfall using Unity. In this space, we focused on creating the project, importing assets, building the spaceship, setting up the camera, follow system, placing the space station, adding the skybox, and preparing the UI canvas for future consoles. So let's begin. First, we open Unity Hub and create a new project named Rockfall Game with a 3D template. When the project loaded, we immediately saved the scene as main, as you can see, inside the asset folder. Next, we imported the Unity package containing the 3D models, textures, sounds, and other resources needed for the game. So after importing the assets, we started building our first game object named the spaceship. Or ship. We went, we renamed it as ship. Then from the models folder, we drag the ship model onto the ship object, which made it a child. We renamed this child object graphics. We reset the graphics object position so it aligned perfectly with the invisible parent ship object. Next, we wanted the camera to follow the ship smoothly rather than being parented directly to it. We added a new script to the main camera called smoothfollow.cs. This script calculates a position behind and above the spaceship, then smoothly interpolates the camera toward that position every frame. We assigned the ship object to the script's target field and adjusted values like height, distance, and damping. When we tested the game, the camera followed the ship smoothly with a natural delay, making the gameplay feel more dynamic and realistic. Next, we placed the space station with which the player will protect later in the game. We created another empty game object named Space Station. We reset the model's position so it aligned properly. We checked the station model and confirmed that it already contained mesh colliders, which were automatically generated when importing the asset. So to make the game feel like outer space, we replaced Unity's default skybox with our space skybox. We created a new material named skybox and changed its shader to skybox, six-sided. Then we assigned the six texture images to their correct sides, front, back, left, right, up, and down. Finally, we open up the lighting settings and assign this skybox material The environment instantly looked like deep space, and the objects even received a green tint based on the reflections on the sky. So for the last step in this phase was setting up the UI canvas for controls. We created a canvas which automatically generated an event system. We changed the canvas render mode to screen space camera, assigned the main camera and set the plane distance to 1. We also changed UI scale mode to scale with screen size and set the reference resolution to 1280 x 720, which is ideal for mobile controls. This canvas will later hold the on-screen joystick and fire button for controlling the ship. And that completes the first development stage for a space shooter game, Rockfall. Now I'll be demonstrating on how it works in mobile app. So we start a new game. These are the controls, a pause button, and so for the space station, it's right there, and the asteroids are going straight at it. So you can shoot at. So that's it for the Rockfall game.